What's the laziest way to make money online right now? To qualify, it needs to meet these criteria. No need to appear on camera or become an influencer. No product or course creation, avoiding the hassles of managing those. Minimal upfront investment. No need to spend on ads or inventory. Long-term earning potential. Do the work once and earn for years. I've discovered a method that ticks all these boxes, and I'll walk you through it step by step. The problem with other online jobs. Many online money-making methods, like surveys, transcription, or creating videos, pay only as long as you keep working. These aren't truly lazy ways to earn because the income stops the moment you do. If you value working smart over working hard, this is for you. The laziest way to earn online involves high payout partner products and high leverage traffic sources. Let me explain. Step 1. Match interest with market feasibility. Write down at least 20 things you're interested in, like hobbies, shows, or topics you enjoy. Compare your list with profitable niches online. Cross off items that don't align. This helps identify niches that both interest you and have market potential. Step 2. Partner with high payout products. Visit affiliate marketplaces like Digistore24, ClickBank, and other affiliate platforms. Look for products priced at $500+ because you'll typically earn 50% commissions. For example, $250 per sale. One sale a day equals $100+ daily. After signing up, click Promote to generate a unique affiliate link, your magic link. Step 3. Use lazy content traffic. Go to YouTube and find the top 3 channels in your niche. List their top 10 most popular videos, totaling 30 ideas. Create unique scripts. Summarize the key points in your own words using tools like Copyscape to ensure originality. Design slide presentations using free tools like Google Slides. Enhance with visuals, icons from Flaticon, and photos from Pixabay or Pexels. Record content by recording your screen with OBS Studio while presenting the slides. If you're too lazy to record your voice, hire freelancers on Fiverr or Upwork for voiceovers. Publish and promote by uploading videos to YouTube. Add your affiliate link to video descriptions and pinned comments. By consistently following this system, you can build a scalable, long-term income stream with minimal ongoing effort. The potential earnings breakdown: if you upload 3 videos weekly, 1 year, or 144 videos. If each video gets 1,000 monthly views, that's 144,000 views month. If 0.04%, tiny fraction of viewers buy, that's 57 sales month. With a $1,000 product, 50% commission gives $28,000 month. Even with conservative results, it's possible to exceed 100 day. Bonus tips for maximizing earnings. Tip 1. Recurring revenue. Promote subscription-based products, e.g. software like TubeBuddy or vidIQ. This way you earn monthly commissions for long-term passive income. Tip 2. Leverage tech tools. Create tech-focused videos by simply recording your screen. Channels like Tech Gumbo demonstrate how effective this approach is. Tip 3. Recreate successful videos. If promoting specific programs, use their resources and videos as inspiration, with permission. This method requires effort up front, but once set up, it can generate passive income for years. By working smarter, you can use this lazy method to achieve consistent results. Hit subscribe if you found this helpful. Lastly, consider creating digital products. Once they're made, they can generate passive income for years. Download Canva Done For You product in the description. Thanks for watching.